The OnePlus 15 is a phone that truly defies expectations. From the moment you pick it up, it's clear that OnePlus didn't just aim for a simple spec bump. They went all out. At the heart of the device is the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite processor,
in India,
which
its
is between
price starts
20 and
from
40% faster than its
72,999
predecessor,
rupees,
with
approximately
record-setting multi-core
260,000
performance
PKRs
and a
without
4.6 GHz clock speed. While this chip alone could have made the phone feel like a flagship powerhouse, OnePlus decided to sprinkle in a host of additional upgrades that make this device feel almost absurdly capable. Even enthusiasts who normally geek out over specs might not notice all of these small enhancements, but collectively, they create an experience that feels a step above the norm. Starting with memory and storage, the OnePlus 15 comes with ultra-fast UFS 4.1 storage and a base model that has 12 GB of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM. For those who want to go all in, there's an upgraded 16 GB LPDDR5X Ultra plus RAM version, pushing performance to its limits. Beyond the raw power, the design has also evolved. OnePlus has opted for a cleaner, more squared-off aesthetic. The sides, camera bump, and general silhouette are flatter, and the cameras are perfectly aligned with the logo in the center of the device. It's a design that balances simplicity with sophistication, and the matte finishes, available in black, sand, and violet, add a touch of uniqueness without drawing too much attention. One of the standout features is the phone's finish. All colors are coated using a process called microarc oxidation, which essentially creates a ceramic layer on the metal body. Matte blacks, which are usually prone to fingerprints and scratches, feel soft to the touch and remarkably resilient. In practice, scratches from everyday objects simply wipe off thanks to the hardness of ceramic. This isn't just durable. It almost feels like the phone is in control of the wear and tear, rather than the other way around. On top of that, the OnePlus 15 is certified for an impressive array of water and dust-resistant standards, including IP66, IP68, and IP69K. It can survive submersion in water and even high-pressure, high-temperature water jets, making it absurdly resilient for daily life, and even a full laundry cycle. Battery life is another area where OnePlus has gone above and beyond. The OnePlus 15 houses a massive 7,300 mAh silicon carbon battery, a noticeable upgrade from the already impressive 6,000 mAh battery in the OnePlus 13. This extra capacity, combined with OnePlus aggressive background task management, means the phone easily lasts all day with 7 to 8 hours of screen-on time and can often end the day with enough battery left to last a second day. Fast charging is included in the box with an 80W brick in the US, and some regions can reach 100W. Wireless charging is also supported at 50W, making it a highly flexible package. Users can even set charge limits to preserve long-term battery health, and even at an 85% limit, it still outlasts many competing flagship phones. The OnePlus 15 also brings two notable custom chips into the mix, a Wi-Fi chip called a G2 and a dedicated touch response chip. The Wi-Fi chip can pull higher speeds than typical devices in some scenarios, while the touch response chip enables a display capable of up to 165 Hz. Interestingly, the phone doesn't always run at 165 Hz. It dynamically adjusts between 1 Hz and 120 Hz for normal usage, reserving the maximum refresh rate for supported games. This allows for a gaming experience where frame rates are pinned at 165 Hz in titles like Call of Duty or Real Racing 3, though the list of supported games is currently limited. The touch response chip also enables a 3,200 Hz touch sampling rate, which is significantly higher than the typical 1,440 to 2,400 Hz range found in most other flagships. Despite all this over-the-top performance and engineering, there are a few compromises. The display resolution has been slightly reduced compared to the OnePlus 13, dropping from 1440p to 1272p. In everyday use, the difference is subtle, but it's worth noting given the otherwise relentless focus on overkill in other areas. OnePlus has also removed the beloved alert slider, replacing it with a customizable button. While most users will adapt without issue, it does take away the instant visual feedback of the previous system. The haptics were slightly downgraded on paper, but in practice, they still feel excellent. The area where the OnePlus 15 stumbles most significantly is the camera system. While the phone features a triple 50-megapixel setup, the primary sensor is underwhelming. It shares its sensor with the $400 Honor 200, resulting in noisier images and less detail than you'd expect from a flagship. The telephoto and ultra-wide lenses perform adequately, but color reproduction is muted and low-light performance is disappointing. Notably, the Hasselblad partnership is gone, meaning the special color tuning and orange shutter button have vanished, along with features like XBN mode. OnePlus retains a Pro mode, now called Master mode, and exaggerated leaf shutter sound, but overall, the cameras feel like a weak link in an otherwise stellar package. Despite these camera shortcomings, the OnePlus 15 remains an incredibly compelling device. It's exceptionally fast, smooth, and responsive, delivering an experience that inspires confidence no matter how hard you push it. Oxygen OS has evolved and now resembles Color OS with touches of iOS influence, but it retains the customization and fluidity that make it a joy to use. AI features and system optimizations are optional, giving users a choice to tailor their experience exactly as they like. Ultimately, the OnePlus 15 is a phone that redefines expectations in almost every way. From its blazing fast performance and massive battery to its robust, scratch-resistant design and thoughtful software, it's clear that OnePlus didn't hold back. Yet, despite all this overkill, the cameras remain a weak point, reminding us that even the most powerful devices can have their Achilles heel. With a starting price of $899 in the US or $999 for the 16GB RAM version, it's priced competitively against other flagships, offering a lot of value for users who prioritize speed, longevity, and durability over perfect photography. For anyone willing to forgive the camera compromise, the OnePlus 15 is a marvel of engineering. A phone that's not just good, but defiantly, almost ridiculously not normal. If you want, I could also create a punchy, slightly shorter 600 to 700 word version that's even more dynamic and engaging for readers who just want the main takeaways. Do you want me to do that?